I'm a fun guy.
1 minute left in the fourth quarter. Raptors game 1 finals. We at Boston Pizza.
Gotta eat food. They call me Hawaiian Leonard. 49 seconds.
Yeah!
Chris is rooting for the Golden States.
Let's go.
I'm a fun guy! I'm a fun guy!
Hawaii Leonard. Hawaii Leonard.
Leonard.
Shout out
Game
Minimal.
one.
Shout out Minimal LA.
Shout out Minimal LA. I'm a fun guy. Shout out New Balance. Shout out New Balance. You've done me well. My what's it called?
Yo, I just
my
left the
contract.
bed.
My shoe deal is coming through.
You're not a fun guy. You ate all my pizza.
What was that, Chris?
You ate all my pizza.
It's what fun guys do. Pizza's our favorite food.
Just let the man speak.
No, we don't gotta let the man speak. I'm a fun guy. You're just gonna have to ask me a couple questions to really know what I'm about. I don't even see where you at.
I'm a fun guy. I mean, it's just more questions you have to ask me in order for me to tell you about myself. I just can't give you a whole spiel. I don't even know where you're sitting at.
Oh, there you is.
Right there.
Yeah, the glasses, there you go.
All right.
Do a segment everywhere that Kawhi can eat for free in Toronto.
What's going on, guys? It's Picsoleated MP, and today we are at Brunch Fest Toronto, Brunch Fest TO. We thought it was gonna be warm, but it started raining all of a sudden and it got a little chilly, so not the best situation. Music's a little loud, so I'm trying to point away from it.
It's cold. The boy out here in shorts.
Yeah, we out here in X-large shorts.
ACG. That Nike lab.
ACG got the All Hallows Eve Blazers, off-white Nike Blazers.
I'm wearing it, same as the IKEA shit, okay? I know y'all gonna call me out. So I got the I got the Kith Cinnamon Toast Crunch, of course. Leggings from Nike, you already know it's like super comfortable and soft. I know you're gonna comment on this. Shout out to the guy that says every single video, I've been wearing this, and it's facts, okay? I'm gonna switch it up next time when I get my shoes. I got 2 new shoes, and we're gonna show you guys what's good. Accessorize it, toss on that chest rig, so there we go.
It is what it is. So we just went to the Heirloom booth, got some.
Heirloom Toronto, you know, they always go to these little like food like pop-ups and stuff like that, fests. So this is their double down. So it is literally a donut, a buttermilk fried chicken, and like some kind of like mayo or like aioli type of thing. Oh, and it has maple syrup. We also got a duck confit poutine with a nice egg. You know, I'm excited to burst that.
Even though it's my poutine, she was gonna oh wait, actually we're splitting it. We're splitting it.
But we got our each for this one. I'm super excited. I can't wait to eat it.
Yeah. We're gonna eat, let you guys know how it is.
Oh, it was blessed. Yeah. I wish it was hot and came crispy. It looks like it was sitting there for like a 2-3 minutes.
Yeah, the donut was a little chill just because obviously they're making a lot because there's a lineup, but if it was warm, it would have been better, but it was still really good for what it was.
That was like the one thing I wanted to get here. Well, not that I researched it, but I was really, really looking forward to having it. We both agreed that the duck confit poutine was actually better.
Yeah, the duck confit poutine was way better.
The egg.
Way better.
The egg, the taste of the duck.
Taste of the duck, yeah.
The chipotle thing they had going on. So good. It was cheaper too.
Yeah.
And delicious.
We went to the next spot,
Bacon Nation.
Yeah.
So chicken and waffles, we are chicken and waffle connoisseurs. So this is the little unique part. Cap and crunch batter with the maple cream and then bacon bits.
Bacon bits, maple cream. There's cap and crunch in the batter of the waffle.
Honestly, I felt like this was sitting too because we ordered it and she was like with the quickness like,
yeah,
hey, here you go.
They had a few ready. I don't know how, it probably wasn't sitting that long, but we'll let you know how it is.
Yeah, we'll let you know.
So we just had the Bacon Nation chicken waffle, the one that we were talking about. It wasn't that good. Let's keep it short. It wasn't that good.
It was an L.
Pretty much, yeah. So
like the maple cream was like a jizz and it tasted like
nothing, pretty much. It was all marketing, not a lot of product. they're going for that festival crowd. But either way, we learned that Brunch Fest is closing a little early. It's 8 o'clock, so we used up all our tickets.
It was like 7:50, and then we're like, yo, what time does it close? At like 8. And we're like, oh, we have like 21 tickets. So we went and we just copped a bunch of foods. We can't even carry it all with our hands, but this is a these are fufu souffle pancakes. This is the mango cream with a whipped cream. So it's like fluffy. We've had this before. It's like a Japanese vibe.
And we came back to our favorite spot, Heirloom.
Oh yeah, had to get the duck confit again. This is also from Heirloom. This is their Nutella pancake. Like bean there.
It's like cinnamon something.
And then this is Hungarian crepes. So we got some chocolate sauce and strawberries. What's inside? Well, apricots
I'll
inside.
put up the name right now on the B-roll, but yeah, sweet Hungarian crepes.
Yes, and there's apricots inside. We are gonna try and clear out this food right now.
And then we're gonna go back to the car, take some of it back to the car, because we're not gonna be able to finish this all right now.
Exactly.
We'll let you know how it is after. All right, guys, so there was a surprise drop today all across the world. Okay, not all across the world, pretty much in all the OVO stores in Toronto and OVO's website online and on sneakers. There was a surprise shock drop of the Raptors 4s with Drake's signature on it. And of course, you know your boy, he got up. He didn't get up too early, but when he got up, he had a couple sneaker deals to do. So when he did his sneaker deals, he walked over to the OVO store and he did something. He did something that took some money out of his wallet and put it into this bag right here. What I'm trying to say is, I walked in, I asked them if they had a size 10, and they had a size 10. It was the smallest size left because there was a lineup during the day for these shoes. So I got lucky, I got my size, and there it is, guys. It's the shoebox. I'm not sure how limited these are, but I'm assuming they are pretty limited because they only released it on certain platforms, and whether they're limited or not, they definitely, you know, were only available to certain regions just because the OVO store is restricted to whatever region the store's website is on. So for the Canadian store, it's restricted to shipping to Canada, and the US store is restricted to the States. I don't know if there's a UK store online yet, but there is a physical location. I don't know if they dropped it on the physical location. If they did, I'll let you know. I'll just put it up here right now. I was able to get a pair. It's size 10. If you saw the Raptors 4s before, it's the same thing. The only real difference is that Drake decided to put his little touch on it, has his signature on the tongue. But for the most part, it's really just a Raptors 4 sneaker. It's got the purple speckles on it, and it's got the red color on the midsole, and red on the little triangular lace loops, and red on the back, and some purple. It really just gives me Bread 4 vibes with Raptors hits all over it because of the purple and red. I think the Raptors 4s actually have a black Jumpman logo on the tongue versus the purple on this one. So you already know this is really hype just because, you know, Drake signed. He didn't really sign it. He, you know, they took an image of his signature and then computer stitched it onto a freaking shoe. But there it is. That's what the hype is all about. I'm not going to review these because I'm definitely not keeping them. I got the Bread 4s. That's all I really need. But on to the other happenings of today. I did cop something that I really wanted. I took a heavy L on these, so I had to pay resale for them. Here they are. That's the Haven bag. That's the only place in Toronto that got them. It is the Nike, I know it's upside down, the Nike Blazer Mid Sacai. And you already know, P and I have been to Japan twice already. P was able to hit on sneakers. I wasn't able to hit on sneakers, so I had to take the L and pay resale. I had to pay the resale. Get it? Sorry. Anyways, so let me bust these bad boys out for you real quick. Bam, there they are, the Nike Sacai Blazers in that blue, legend blue colorway. Super clean. I like the yellow pair better, and I actually bought the yellow pair for resale too off StockX. I got them for a decent price. They were going for 400 Canadian when I bought them, and these ones I got for a decent price too. Shout out to the homie who sold these to me, Alfred. You know who you are. You know there's a million Alfreds. I'm not gonna say his last name because I'm not trying to put people on blast, but shout out to Alfred. Amazing design. I'm gonna review these soon, so look out for that. And that closes out this vlog. Peace. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys later. Picsoleated is not here with P right now, but Picsoleated is out.